So if you were looking at getting one of these kits, they are throwing in some free goods. So for one example, we got the blower.
That's right.
All right. Hello again, Ian with Inside Sales at Ohio Power Tool, here to talk to you about more promotions that we got going on. I decided to bring in Nick to help us out talk about the promos that we got going for the month of May.
Yeah, definitely. We got some good promos happening this month. First on the list here is 20 off 100 select tools and accessories with Bosch. But there are some exclusions.
So if you're looking to load up on some accessories right now, you're getting $20 off any $100 purchase. Now, it is excluding some items, is that correct?
Oh yeah, that's correct. In fact, the title is highlighting on measuring tools. If you are looking into the measuring tools, there's another promo for Bosch. It's $25 off their lasers.
All right, so whether you are interested in going with the standard AA version or their new 12-volt version that they've come out with, doesn't matter if it's red, doesn't matter if it's green, they're taking $25 off of that.
All right, moving on. It's getting a little warmer out. Summer is right around the corner, so we need to focus on some PIP cooling gear. In fact, it's at a pretty good price.
You like it?
You go ahead.
All right, so yeah, new lower pricing on all the PIP summer wear. So anywhere from evaporated vests to this nice high-vis hat. We got neck wraps, we got cooling towels. We are throwing that in for the hot weather. So time to get it early because you don't want to be out there when it's hot needing this stuff and trying to get it after the fact. So keep your guys cool on the job site. Yeah, what do we got next for us?
You know what we got next? You really want to know what we got next?
I'm gonna guess Milwaukee.
We have a whole lot of Milwaukee.
We got to make some room here for these.
Yeah, hold on a second here. Milwaukee has rebates every single quarter, but there's one specifically that you would like to touch base on.
Yeah, so if you guys noticed last month, their big thing was for the plumbers. They're still kind of sticking with the rebate deals for all their plumbing tools. This month they are doing for the M12 Press Tool. Everybody kind of knows it only comes with a 1-inch jaw. Is capable to do 1 1/4 inch, so they are throwing that in for free. Again, it's a rebate deal. You go to their e-rebate website that we'll have a link to on the page as well for you to get that and submit.
Yeah. Next one on our list, we have the buy 2 bare tools and then you'll get 2 batteries in a bag for free. The thing is with this, you want to make sure you're buying 2 of the select bare tools, and you'll find those listed in the link below.
Okay, so it's kind of build your own combo kit deal. You're not getting the charger, but if you already got that and you've been looking at some of the larger tools, it's a heck of a deal throwing in 2 free batteries.
Yeah, Milwaukee recently released a Surge Impact.
Here is the kit. It is the hammer drill with the Surge Impact. And with that promo, they are throwing in one of the free fuel Sawzalls.
Correct.
Now, if you don't know much about it, it is a hydraulic gear case. It is 50% quieter. It's also 3 times less vibration, so you get a lot more smoother operation with it. Now, if you already have an impact driver and it's a good addition to it, this is gonna be more for constant torque, not the peak torque. So it doesn't seem to have as much as the 2853, but if you're gonna be driving screws all day and you're tired of the vibration, having to listen to the hammers hit, this is a great option to have.
The last promo we'd like to touch base on is the Milwaukee Quik-Lok outdoor power equipment.
Yes, so let's slide these over. We only grabbed the string trimmer, but the promo is going on for both the string trimmer, that's probably too close to the camera there, the string trimmer and the pole saw. So if you were looking at getting one of these kits, they are throwing in some free goods. So for one example, we got the blower.
That's right.
All right. So it's not limited to just getting the blower for free. They are also throwing in any of the attachments. So you get your choice, whether it's the edger or if you buy the string trimmer and you want to get the pole saw attachment as well. What else do they have? They have the articulating hedge trimmer. Am I missing anything?
Got the edger.
I got the edger.
You got the edger?
So you get a choice. You're not locked into just getting a blower. So if you already got that, because that was a hot item last year, you're looking at a new Quik-Lok, you can buy into that and then get yourself an extra free attachment. All right, so that ends it for what we are highlighting for the month of May. Nick, is that all that we have going on?
Oh no, we have so many more promotions happening. We're gonna list them all in the description below. It's also at ohiopowertool.com. There's a link at the top, monthly promos. Just click on that and you can see everything we have to offer.
Sounds good. And then we also do have our in-store deals. So if you are local, be sure to check us out. Ohio Power Tool, $9.99 Goodale Boulevard. Well, we appreciate you stopping in. We'll try and do this again for next month, see what we got to add.
Yep, see you then.